everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making a crochet bra cup, and I'll be using this off-white yarn and also a 4mm crochet hook, and I'll also be needing a pair of scissors. So let's get into the video. So before we start off, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also on the notification button. So let's get into it. So I'll be doubling my strands because this is lightweight yarn. So to start off, we are going to be making a slip knot. And then we are going to make a chain of 22. So go on and make a chain of 22. So once you're done making your chain, the third chain from the hook, we are going to make a half double crochet in there. That third chain from the hook. So now we are going to keep making a half double crochet till we get to the last chain. So just continue making a half double crochet and I'll see you at the last chain. So once we get to the last chain, we are going to make 2 half double crochet in there, and then we are going to chain up 2 and then make another 2 half double crochet in that same space. And so now we are going to continue working on the other side. And so now we are going to be working on the other side. We'll place 1 half double crochet on each of the spaces till we get to the end of our row. So once we get to the end, we're going to place half double crochet into that space, and then another half double crochet into that chain 2 space there. It's going to be a bit difficult to get in, but you place your half double crochet and then you chain up 2, and then turn your work. We skip this first space into the next. We're going to make a half double crochet. You skip the first one into the next, you make a half double crochet, and so we're going to keep making a half double crochet till we get to the end of this our second row. So just keep making half double crochets till the end. So now we've gotten to the end. Into our chain 2 space, we're going to place 2 half double crochet, chain 2, and another 2 half double crochet. And now we'll continue working on the other side, placing 1 half double crochets till we get to the end. And so once you get to the end, you're going to place 1 half double crochet into that chain 2 space. So now we are going to chain up 2 and then turn our work. We skip the first space into the next one, we make a half double crochet, and then you continue making half double crochet till you get to our chain 2 space. And so now we've got into our chain 2 space. We're going to make 2 half double crochet in there, we chain up 2 and then 2 half double crochet again, and then we'll continue working a half double crochet till we get to the end. So this tutorial is quite easy to follow, like very easy to follow. So again, once we get to the end, we're going to place our half double crochet into that last space, and then into our chain 2 we're going to place a half double crochet again. And now you chain up 2, turn your work, you skip the first space into the next, you place a half double crochet. So you continue working a half double crochet till you get to the chain 2 space, and then I'll meet you there. So once you get to the chain 2 space, in there we're going to place 2 half double crochet, chain 2 and 2 half double crochet again. And so now we're going to continue working a half double crochet till we get to the end. So this pattern is quite repetitive. We're going to keep doing this till we get to the desired bra size that we want. So you just have to keep doing this and checking it with your bra size till it's able to cover your bust area. So as we can see now, our bra is beginning to curve up, which is a good thing. It's a good sign that we are doing the right thing. So we just continue crocheting till we get our desired cup size. So I'm almost at the end of our bra cup. So mine is quite big, as you can see. This is like a large. Yes, it's quite big, and I counted it about 17 rows. So yours could be bigger or it could be smaller, it doesn't matter. So you just continue working it till it's able to cover your bust area. And so now we're going to work the edges of our bra cup. To do that, we'll chain 1 into that first space, we'll make 2 single crochet, then into the next one we'll make 1 single crochet, into the following one 2 single crochet, then into the next one 1 single crochet. So this is how we're going to alternate between 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet till we get to the end of this row. So just keep doing that till you get to the end. So now I'm going to place 1 more single crochet into my last space. So now I'll make 1 more chain to make it tight. Use my scissors. I'm going to cut off the remaining strands. And so that's it, guys. That is the tutorial. It's quite easy to make, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share to grow this platform, please. And have fun crocheting, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.